Hey guys, we came to see our boat at our marina where we have it parked for the winter, and soon we will be taking our boat out once the season opens. Look at the seagulls. One is up there too. It's a beautiful day today. Right, look at those seagulls on that side too. So we've been keeping our boat parked here for a couple years. Like every winter, when season closed, we take our boat out here to keep it parked in the garage that this marina has. Because where we keep our boat, we're on the waiting list for parking for winter. Guys, this is our boat. Kapikua! Kapikua! No? Okay. Kapikua! Bay! And these are more boats on this side. Look at all those seagulls. Sheesh. Okay, I'm gonna interview my honey here. So what do you like about having a boat, of being a boat owner?
Oh, muchas cosas, a lot of things.
Okay.
Go to the water and have fun, want respect, but I love it, I love the water. I love the water mucho.
Okay, second question, do you know how to swim?
Correct. Good. I'm a good swimmer.
Third question, did you get a new engine?
Excuse me?
Did you get a new engine?
Correct.
Oh, wow, brand new engine. Okay, and last but not least, do you know how to sail? Because I see this is a sailboat that you have.
What did you say?
Do you know how to sail? Because this is a sailboat.
Correct. I'm learning to sail.
Okay, I like that answer. You hear that? My honey is learning to sail, guys.